What up though, it's your boy Filip J. It's been a long time since my last video, but I'm happy to be back. Today I'm going to review some RGB LED strips. Now LED strips are a popular lighting option because you can put them anywhere inside your home, whether it's bedroom, office, kitchen, behind TVs, up in the ceiling, because they make anything pop. There's a lot of different colors, a lot of different tones, and they're a great decoration. Third, they're super cheap. You can find something like this for $15 to $20 online. And lastly, they're easy to install. So all you have to do is peel the tape on the back of it and can go anywhere in the house. Let's get right into it. The first thing that comes in the box is the power supply. So it's 12 volt, 1 amp. So it looks like you can only use probably one of these LED strips. Don't want to put too many in series. Let's open up the Alright, so here are the LED strips. This is 16 feet long. It's 50/50 SMD LED strips. RGB though, red, green, and blue. So you have them right here. Let's zoom in. This is silicone coating on the outside. Looks like it's 12 LEDs before the cutoff point and 150 LEDs in total on this whole spool of 16.4 feet. So the quality on them is it's okay. I mean, it's for the price you pay, it's not bad. On the price, here's the tape I was talking about for installation. All you have to do is peel that, and then this is the cable that you would plug in to turn them on. So you got the different colors for the different RGB, red, green, blue, and black is for power. Let's see what else comes here. So you got the remote. So it's got all the different colors, different setting options on and off to dim and make them brighter. Also, you can use this on an app. So there's an app I'm going to show you. You can use these LEDs with Alexa and Google Home. Wi-Fi LED controller. So right here, you would plug it into the power adapter. Now this right here is the IR controller. So this is where you would point the remote to this thing right here, because otherwise you won't be able to turn it on. And lastly, this is where you would plug the LED strips to. Now, since this is a Wi-Fi controller, you can use this app right here. It's called Magic Home. And then with that, you're able to control them just as you would with the remote. Now let's turn them on and try it out. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to plug in your LED controller to your lights. So there's this arrow right here that shows you where to point it. So there's also the arrow here. So all you have to do is match them up. Also, you can look at the letters right here for the colors. So GRB is green, red, and blue. So let's plug that in. Boom. And then right here, you want to plug in the power supply. All right, that's a little rough, but it works. All right, now let's turn it on. All right, and let's just check out the different colors. Like I said, you got to point it at the arrow. Let's try to dim it down all the way to see how it's gonna look. So this is probably it. Dim it up. And this is the brightest. Now let's go in the app. Now for the app, it's called Magic Home. But in order to use it, you need to log in into the LED controller, which is this right here, into that network. Now you won't be able to log in your regular Wi-Fi while using this, unless you have Alexa or Google Home. And this is it. So you have the controller, and you can adjust the colors, moving it here. Go right in the middle. So yeah, it's a lot more options within this spec range. And then you can also adjust the colors like this, specifically to what you want. There's different functions here that you can do. Gradual changes, flashes, a lot of different stuff. And there's also this option for the mic, so where you can actually turn on music and the lights will follow it. So let's try it out. And that's it. Now let's go try them out around the house.